Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Maryann Ani. I'm a student of E86 Limited. I registered under data analytics and I'm here for my STATA presentation. To take you further into the presentation, I want to just show you quickly how to move files from Excel to STATA, where you create your data set in Excel, you move it to STATA for your work, to analyze, to clean and all that. And I also want to show you how to use a few tests to determine relationship and association. So this is my presentation on moving a file from Excel, a file that you have made. You've already done this file in Excel, but you have to take it to STATA to be able to do your analysis. You just open up your STATA file, which is what you see on the board right now. Your STATA file, you go to File. When you go to File, you go to Import. Automatically, Microsoft have already done most of these things for you. You've created data by yourself in Excel. You come to Import, you go to Excel spreadsheet and click on it. It gives you this box that you're seeing. Then you browse your file. When you browse your file, you open the file that you have browsed. That's, in this case, mine is called presentation for STATA. And you just open it. And everything loads into your STATA. That is what you have at the far right corner of my screen. Now, I also want to show you how to use a few testing methods to analyze the data. Here, we want to find out from my data set, how to open my data set. First of all, I go to data editor and editor browse and open it to give you a picture of what I have done. This is the file I moved from Excel. This is the file that I moved from Excel to STATA. I created this file by myself. It's just, you can make your own file. So now I want to be able to calculate. In my file, we have different variables, which are marital status, gender, status, major, country, age, etc. Now I want to find out if having a job, because here there is job and there is marital status. I want to find out if having a job affects a student's grade. So I come here. Sorry, I skipped this. You're supposed to open a do file for your STATA. And to open the do file is just something easy. You come along this way. You will see, let's close this file that I have opened. Here, you will see new do file. Sorry. Here, if I click it, I don't want to open a second do file on top of this. If you click where my arrow is now, you will open a new do file. It's just a plain sheet where you can type in your command. This is what it looks like. I have opened this do file already, which I named project do file. Now I want to calculate if having a job affects you as a student, affects your grade. And in this place, I use the gamma test, and that is what is here. The command for that is what you're seeing here. Tab, marital status, score. Now this score also you can use grade instead of score. And this is the gamma. These are the command for it. If I want to check, I'm going to copy all that. And in this place, here where my cursor is, there is execute. And when I click on execute, you will come back and see that there is a table here with so many figures, but STATA that's the beauty of STATA. It has calculated everything. What you need to do is interpret the end, which is gamma, 0 point. Now in gamma is said if your result is closer to 1, that means there's a relationship, meaning having a job affects your studies. But here we can see that your score here, what gamma is bringing out is far from 1. So here it does not affect. Okay, so there is another one which we can use, and is chi-square. We can also use it to find out if there is a relationship between being married and your grade. How does it affect you as a married person in school? Now we can simply also calculate that by using the chi-square here. Sorry. Uh, sorry, I don't know if you pause it. I want to cut. Okay, so here now we are checking for the relationship between being married and being a student, and having affecting your grades. Let's also do this with the chi-square. Now, in chi-square, that's the result we are getting now, is showing that if PR is less than 0.05, there is a significant relationship. But in this case, it's not less than. As we can see here, is 0.413, so it's not significant, so we can ignore and say that your being married has nothing to do with your scores in school. Okay, this is the end of my presentation on STATA in data analytics. I can tell you for sure that STATA is a beautiful data analytics tool, and we welcome everyone to come to E86 to understudy this course, as it will help you in your future endeavors in your office as a HR personnel and whatever duties you find yourself. So please, we're expecting you in the nearest future. Thank you.